supporting yourself, being alive. What is more important than that? You're alive. You're eternal. There's nothing more important than you feeling yourself alive. If you're not feeling yourself alive, you're dead. Dead inside. You need to feel yourself alive. How do you do that?
Spiritual practice.
That's one way. What other people do?
Oh, they probably drink. And like do drugs or do sports. They probably like have parties.
That's the only reason to feel alive. That's why people party. To feel alive. Feel some sense of normalcy. Normalcy. Your life is okay. That it makes sense. And then they go and do their regular job. But it doesn't make any sense. And then they go like and do weird stuff to the society. Because they feel a sense of normalcy. I can function after I had these experiences. Go on a vacation, do a bunch of drugs, go get wasted, repeat. I feel normal. I can feel myself. I am not responsible to like show up at a place that executed man-allocated time. Man-allocated time. Time is designed. It's a man prison for the slaves. First it was, oh, you show up when the sun is up. That was the first time. And then it was perfected. It was perfected. Now it's even more perfected. We're free. It's just a moment of realization. That we are free. That I am free. But then, what happens then?
Yeah, like what do we do?
Then we forget that we are free. And we go for a loop. And we go for another loop, And only those that really want to wake up make it. Because the rest of them think like, oh, this was a fluke. Sure, it was a fluke, but you were looking, right? You were looking. How did that happen? You were looking, Mayana. And that happened.
Yeah.
And then you kept on looking.
Yeah.
So that's the difference.
Yeah.
Kept on looking. You didn't just like say like, wow, that was nice. I wish I had more of that. You were like, how can I have more of that all the time?
Yeah.
So it's normal.
Yeah.
More of joy, more happiness, more of peace, more of bliss, more of balance, more of everything. More of not worry. More of riches, more of everything. That's what you were asking.
Yeah, like how can I maintain that experience that I had? Like, just complete knowingness.
State of knowing.
Yeah.
A state of knowing. How can I just know that everything's gonna be okay? Perfectly okay. All the time. Well, it is, whether you like it or not. And you are the one to blame. You are the one responsible for all the beauty that you feel within yourself. You are the king and queen of your own experience that you feel within yourself when you wake up in the morning. You are the master of desire. The joy of tranquility, and whatever the words mean, you know what I mean. You are God. So act like one. Accept your defeats. Move on when things are tough. And be joyful when things are joyful. For the rest, there is no rest. There's only problems. There will never be rest for them. But for you, there could be rest. It's a matter of time when you will accept, you can accept that there is time for you to rest within yourself in peace and accept God as you. Only then will you have found true peace, and only then until then work to get there. I don't want any excuses. Just work. Hard, plain work. I don't want any complaints. Just get through it. That's how the ego is. Where else do you think a master should be? But a monster of ego design. To counteract the egotistical thoughts that you have right now. So if you don't want to do the job, get out of my way so someone else that wants to do the work can succeed. And you can wait in line of reincarnation. For your time. So get to work.